We're doing it! So, welcome to Morpheus Chair, the program where you learn to build robots like these from your comfy chairs. So, this is a very special new video series where we're going to build a robotic arm. Yeah, with your bare hands. So, in this case, we're going to use this open manipulator version created by Clarkson University. So very kindly, the University of Clarkson lent us this. So James Carrol, thanks a lot for this fantastic robot. So we are going to use this robotic arm, which is a version of the open manipulator made by Robotics, but it's 3D printed everything and has some modifications that James Carrol and their team did, so great. But in this video series, what you're going to learn is build any robotic arm as you wish, and we're going to use this as an example for you to build your own. Okay, so the only thing that we are going to work that it will be quite specific, Dynamixel servos that work just like they are connected through a bus. So apart from that, everything else will be very generic and will be applicable to any robotic arm. So we're going to know how to create the basic controller to move the servos through ROS. Then we are going to integrate that into Moveit, and we're going to use Moveit to position this end effector wherever we want. And after that, we're going to add perception and we're going to try to grasp objects. Isn't that amazing? Ready? So see you next week with the first episode of how to build your real robotic arm for ROS. Until then, keep building.